So what's up guys, Button here, back for another video. And for today this video guys, we're gonna be playing the game, hindi ko din alam, Elevator. Basta guys, we're gonna be playing this game na di ko alam kung ano yung pangalan, pero may connection sa elevator. At wag na natin patagalin guys at simulan na natin siya na laruin at new game na tayo. Let's begin. They created this game based on the story of a man who encountered the usual dream during his illness. Whoa. Okay. Hello? It was a dream. Expected. Ay, di ko pa nabasin now. Uy! Sila pa nga eh. Grabe ano nila sound effect. I can't move, but I can get out of this nightmare. So, where am I now? Where am I now, dude? Oh, yeah. May katawan ba tayo? Oh, wala tayong katawan. Game 0. De joke lang. Wait, the game 0. De joke lang. Oh, ano yun? Howard the... Kakatakot naman ng ganito. Kakatakot naman ng ganito. So, ano ito? So, ito yung ano ng train. So, I cannot open this. I can open it. And, yup. So, ito na yung pupunta natin. May narinig ba ako nangangape? May kumakape, guys. Oh, may babae dito. Okay. Oh, this window looks like a door. It's open with 4 keys. Kagulat ako nun ah. Gagi. Then, nagulat lang ako kante nun. I'm locked up inside my dream. Bro, gising bro! Someone is leading me through the darkness. Bro, gising! Where are we doing? Everything seemed familiar to me. Pre, gising na pre. To wake up, I have to open the small door. Where's the small door? Though, yan yung small door. The keys were here. Have to find them. So I need to open the door, right? Am I right? So I need to open the small door. Is there no one here? Ay, gagi. Okay. I can touch the object if I want. Hello? Anybody in here? Close. Oh. Hello? Bro, parang nakakaramdam ako ng jumpscare. I don't know. Shame, Hello? Shit. Jesus Christ! Wag ka naman ganyan sa akin! This elevator door is... Wait lang. Galit ka ba sa akin? Oh, is this an elevator draw? Come on! So, na-off yun. Oh, CR. Whoa. May humuhutik eh. May humutik, guys. Come on, man. I just want to see the key, man. Hindi Shima in here. Ayan. What is my inventory? So, I have here wala pawns. Paper. But, walang key dun. Need to see something. Ba't wala naman dito? Oh, ano yung susi? Close. Okay. Bubuksan. Hello? Sana walang... may narinig ba ako? Alam daw ko may narinig ako eh. Hello? Man, to be honest, kinakabahan ako ah. Sana walang tatakbo, no? Hello? Oh. Kala ko ano na eh. Sasakyan yun. Huwag kakabahan, Melton. Sasakyan lang yun eh. So, maghahanap tayo ng susi. Yun yung ano ngayon natin. I remember this smell of this wall. It was a long time ago. We need to look around. Okay. Okay. Kailangan ko talaga mag-look around. So, there's many books here. So, susi yung kailangan, di ba natin? Susi yung usapan. Sabi kanina eh. We need a key. There are joint leaps between ano yun? So, tap the interact the object. Wait, what? Whoa. Okay. So, something may pinapakita dito eh. I don't know kung ano meron. But, I can pray out with the bare hands. Okay, so we need a gamit. It seemed this dull before. I seen this dull before. Hello? Men. Hello po. I'm Milton. Yan eh. Okay guys, nakita ko yung code niya. Babalikan kita, pero ngayon for now, wag muna. Wait lang. Wag ka pong gagalaw po dyan ha. Min, kinakabahan ako, min. Di ko alam, baka makabulin ako ng kumag din. Tarantado ka, orasan ka. Kala ko naglalakad na siya eh. So, yung shape ay ganito. Okay, activate. Bro, what is that? Okay. I pray na hindi siya gumalaw. Let me see him first. Di pa naman siya gumagalaw. Di pa naman siya gumagalaw. I don't know. Ganda yung open it. So this key is to the verb. So in there. So po. Who is this man on the stage? Ay, hindi kita lalapitan, syempre. Ano ka, gold? So, let me try this thing. So, yup. Ito talagang nakaka-ano sa horror game eh. Hello, man? Can I talk to you? I don't want to disturb you. But, you can. You need. Hey. Oh, it's never seen device like this. Oh! Jesus Christ! Don't move, man. I'm gonna go away. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go now. Don't say me bukas na yung elevator. Sir, I have the key one. We're gonna open this now, no? We're gonna open it. And gagalaw na siya. Nakakaramdam na akong gagalaw na yun. Huwag ka munang gumalaw. And, yeah, there's a letter. And you hang code in the house. Ano daw? You hang a coat in the house. Ewan. Ano yung 11 yun? There's something in here now. Is this it? Ano na yun? So I hang in my coat in there. Saan na tayo pupunta? Ano ng game na to? And gagalaw na yung kumag na yan mamaya. So there's any ano dito. There's something in here. I don't want to disturb you, ah. So down ito. So I will up this. Men! Nakaban ako. Okay, so we're up this. Up! Di na ako nagduda eh. Ayun na naisip ko una pa lang eh. Di na ako nagduda, guys. Hello? Kuya, mabait naman ako, kuya eh. Damn it, bro. Bro. Di na tayo bate once na ginawa mo yan sa akin. Eh, Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Men. What is that? Someone's walking beside me. I don't feel danger. What is this? I don't know what this is. do you mean, man? This is silent. So what is this? So the symbol. The symbol. So okay. So eto na nga tayo, guys. Hello po. Hello po. Hello po. Parang ramdam ko bukas yung elevator dito. It's not. Di naman. So, nawawala yung kumag na yun. Nawawala yung kumag. Agnas. Apaka-agnas. So, what am I gonna do na? Can you see the outside? Oh, nagsusnow. Maangas. So, wala namang kailangan tayo dito na. Puro shield na dyan. Puro shield, puro lipitan na dyan. Tapos na yung ano natin dyan. So, we're gonna proceed into the... At yan na nga. Hello? Hello? Oh, ito. Oh, you can feel that. Oh, hello? Hello? You can feel the look, but you can't see anyone. What do you mean? So, lagi niya ako tinitingnan? There's a drawing in here. It's weird. What is this? Save them. Man, I don't know. Hindi ko nga maligtas sarili ko dito eh. Tapos tatanungan mo pa ako? Just check. Hindi ko nga maligtas. Pwede na ba ako umuwi? So, yun na lang siguro muna for today's video, guys. At i-continue na lang natin yung video at gagawin natin siya ng party. At yun siguro ngayon, guys. At sana nag-enjoy ka for today's video. At maraming salamat. If you want a part 2, like, give me some 10 likes lang, guys. And goods na tayo. Goods to go na tayo sa part 2. And yun lang. Bye-bye.